Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Ram 1500 LARAMIE GT Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl with blind spot and cross path detection, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power running boards, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, power adjustable pedals with memory, 24,000 miles on the odometer, remote start system, navigation, surround view camera system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power tailgate release, cold air intake system by Mopar, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7812.